tu dois dire que les autres ils doivent retourner immédiatement. Il faut retourner ici. Car ils vont faire ouvrir le barrage derrière, c'est au moins de l'eau.
Aujourd'hui, il vient de l'eau ou non?
De l'eau, maintenant, il faut retourner tout de suite. Si tu ne le fais pas, si vous avez des personnes blessées ou mortes, c'est pas ma course. Hein?
Non, non, mais ça monte ou non? Ça, c'est la
Ça
question.
monte!
They're actually going to flush the river. That could cause an extremely dangerous situation for our crews who are just down there right now. So we're trying to alert them and get them out, get them to higher ground, just in case the river starts to flash flood on them.
Yeah, it's hard to get down, but harder to get up. But we was lucky, huh?
Maybe those guys from the power station just bullshitting us, but we can't take the risk, you know, we can't be there with a big group and then all of a sudden instead of 20 cubics there's 150 cubics, you know. No. We're crazy, we love our sport, but we're not stupid, so we just say, alright, let's retreat, and now we're going to the Rebo, which is a fun 15-meter slide, which is very spectacular anyway. So.
Bright side of the line.